Good morning, everybody. I know I'm a little late. I literally just finished my bowl of cereal right there, and we're good to go now. Sorry about that. We got the franchise first in the chat. Emma D, what's going on? Emma D, second in the chat. The franchise R for Emma T the franchise and Emma D spelling first together. I love it. Nick F, good morning to you, man. Moji, what's happening, Moji? Dark Bro, good morning. Mr. Brian, Moji. Kalani, what's happening, too? Mr. Brian, we got Dark Bro, Kenneth Slayer, Mr. Brian Slayer, Moji, CD Wit. Good morning to everybody in the chat right now. Glad to have you in here. Let's check out the market and see what the market has got going on. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, down just slightly on the day today. 0.96% lower, $5.15. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 885 right now. It is slightly green on the day. GameStop 21.36, not much going on there, but it is up 3.24% to $21.36. Bitcoin sitting at 27,414.32. It is up 1.79% on the day. Not too bad. Bitcoin bouncing back a little bit. And I like this action back up here a little bit better, but it's not that much of a sell-off, guys. This is 27.5 down to 27.4. This should really look like that, honestly, on Bitcoin. But you got to pull it out so it looks a little bit more exciting when you're looking at the chart there. So this is what we got going on for Bitcoin at the moment. We're going to keep our eyes on that. The NASDAQ up 0.43% today. Not bad. GameStop sitting up 3.14. AMC down just slightly. Dogecoin 7.2 cents. Ethereum sitting at 18.30. Shiba Inu coin 8.86. Bitcoin sitting at 27,418. Molinado $1.24. It is down 2.3% of the day. Sundial $1.68. CEI $1.15. The SPY sitting at 411.77. BBIG sitting at $2.46. Highcroft Mining 36 cents. Netflix $337. QQQ 326.07 right now. Ape sitting at $1.50, up $1.62, and MPW $7.49. MPW, man, that dividend's got to be looking pretty good here. Getting ready to retest $7 per share. I can almost imagine that MPW is having such a difficult time because of interest rates increasing their mortgages that they probably have out there and the loans that they probably have out on all of the hospitals that they're renting out. So MPW probably getting hit because interest rates continue to go up. The good news is one would logically think that as interest rates begin to plateau, you should see a bottoming out in MPW. As interest rates begin to decline, MPW should get more and more profitable. So that is one way to look at MPW, guys. If we did see the last interest rate hike, MPW may be nearing a bottom. Just a theory, trying to follow some logic there on how MPW makes their money and the real estate that they're associated with. So good way to think about that. John J, thank you very much for the super chat. Why did I not hear it? Oh, volume is low. Turn the volume up. John J, man. John J, thank you very much for the super chat. Let's get this party started, baby. The party is started right now. I don't know if we got Frank in the chat right now. Yesterday was Frank's birthday, man. We're going to sing happy birthday to Frank if he shows up in here. So somebody remind me if Frank is in here. Let's see. Hello, happy Taco Monday, John J. Best Taco Mondays ever. There's a lot of speculation. Well, the bone is going to be the gas fee, or leash is going to be the gas fee. Can you tell me a little bit more about which one you think it'll be? Well, bone is definitely going to be the gas fee for Shibarium. Is that what you're talking about? That's the gas fee for Shibarium. So, it is going to be bone on that one if that's what you're talking about there. Anyway, let's see here. Dieter says, do you think Pepe is going to lose a 0 in 6 months? Whoo! Let me say this, man. Pepe could lose a 0 much quicker than 6 months. If Pepe gets a little bit more hype, look, I'm highly doubtful that Coinbase is going to list Pepe or any U.S. exchange is going to be listing Pepe. So the major exchanges that have already listed it are probably like the top of who's going to be listing Pepe. But if Elon Musk throws a couple more tweets out there and we get a couple more FOMO opportunities, then yes, I do think that PEPE could, from where we're at right now, what is it, like 7x increase in value, to burn that zero and go to roughly the same value as Shiba Inu coin, $5 to $6 billion. Not going to be easy, but it's not going to require a bull market in order to do so. PEPE has got a lot of attention right now. PEPE has got $400 million in volume being traded on a down day like today. Billions of dollars being traded on up days. So I do think that PEPE's got what it takes, yes, to burn a zero. Now, do I think that it makes it or not? I have no idea. I just know it's got what it takes to do it. Let's see, come back down. Kenneth had to do a $342 cost average on Shib today. Going to have to do the same thing to get Bambi from going under it due to getting in at the wrong spot. Yeah, I actually don't know where Bambi's at. We can look at Bambi in a second here, but I have not looked at Bam. I think we've only looked at Bambi once in here, and that's the only time I looked at it. I never looked at it over the weekend or anything. Hey, what's up? Ain't nothing wrong with chilling like a chinchilla. Absolutely, Slayer. I like it, man. PEPE bot got wrecked. All the buy orders placed now. Just all sells. Need to see over 2 for the sells to start. Yeah, franchise. Me too, man. Me too. That was the range on my PEPE. I had a couple of trades over the weekend, right? Couple trades over the weekend when PEPE bounced back up above 2 for a minute on the Elon Musk hype. But yeah, I'm probably in the same range that you're in there. Let's see if he's 1/5 of the first. I accept being the other 4/5. So there you go. M&D spamming the chat on the way in. It'll definitely get it for you. Let's see. Milady meme coin. Yeah, well, Dante, we'll look up Milady as well. Clay bro, you're definitely a Hufflepuff. Zombie. Is that good? Or is that bad? I have no idea if that's good or bad. I hope it's good. Yo, dude, what's going on, Bender? That's why I love you, Mo. But I still want to know what universe you are from. Where is your heart, Mo? Where is your heart? In his chest, man. It's in his chest, right there. All right, let's look up. What are we doing on here? Somebody wanted to look up. Yeah, K-King, we can look at Elmo, too. Somebody wanted Milady. Elmo. Oh, and Bambi. We can look up Bambi as well. See where these meme coins are at today, guys. See what's going on with them. We'll start with Bambi, because I know very, very little about Bambi. See what this price action's at. Down 28% today on $1.7 million in volume, $4.3 million market cap, 7 days. Yes, it is down after the initial hype right there. The 1 month, all right. We have only been out since May 8th. Ran up nicely. The good news is it does seem to have a lot of support in the area that it is currently in. It's been sitting down here for the last 4 or 5 days, bouncing off this exact level right now. Clearly, we know that it can break down even further. But the good news is, we've watched it since May 11th here, steady off in this area. So, Bambi, yeah, you might have got in on the run up there, down about 90%, nearly 90% from those highs that it was touching last week, which means if it just gets back there, dude, you'd be 10x in your portfolio or 10x in your position in Bambi. So, very nice on that one. Oh, we get Homer Simpson rolling up on the trending page right now. Nice. Let's look at Milady. Somebody asked about Milady. Milady back up 30% on the day, man. Not bad at all. My goodness. Milady is rolling. Milady coming back up, guys. We saw the Milady was down 50-60% on this day right here. It was coming back down heavy. Tapped this support, and it's been doing nothing but rolling ever since. So how much of a gain? About a 3x gain from these levels here, going from 50 points up to 150 points per coin. Not bad on Milady. Milady looking actually very nice over the last, what is this, man? 4 or 5 days. So something like Bambi was sitting sideways from this level, showing some support. Milady here, after a wonderful gain, I'm talking May 10th, exploding there. Moving up nicely, man. 3x in your money in Milady over the last 3-4 days. Not bad at all. Another one out there. Homer Simpson trending right now, down 50% on the day. Let's see what we got going on with Homer over the last 7 days. Down 50%, man. but it is still up heavy from where it was before. Homer Simpson, another one of these coins, coming out on May 8th. May 8th seems to be a very nice day for the meme coin category. And down 50%, yes, but still very heavily elevated. I can't even count all those zeros, right? I'm not even going to go out there and attempt to count all those zeros. But Homer Simpson doing very nice. It's hit at a $10 million market cap right now, but it is down 50% of the day, so please watch out for that one. The last one, somebody said Elmo. Do we have it on here? We do not have it on there. Elmo. I know it's this one. Elmo down 17%. All right, Elmo's the one where we've seen actually a pretty nice graph here. So let's see what we've got. Elmo, well, Elmo is doing very nicely to trend higher. It pulled back pretty heavily to 0.005. And it is also up nearly 4x from these lows that we were sitting on right here. So Elmo's an interesting one, guys. I wouldn't be terribly concerned with looking at Elmo if it sees a pullback into this area right here. And, it's bounced up once. It's bounced up twice. Could it bounce up again? That's the question that nobody knows the answer to, but Elmo is one that does seem to be pretty popular, at least in this live stream right here, and Elmo may be setting up support in this 0.17 area, 1.7 cents. But when it broke down before from that area, it broke down pretty quick. So please keep an eye out for Elmo if you guys are interested in that one there. And we're going to be coming back out here after we say, Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat directly through Streamlabs, ladies and gentlemen. Forget about the YouTube fees. Pat says we're going directly through Streamlabs. The franchise is first, baby. Dilly dilly to Fran Chili. I love it, Pat. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Oh man, Pat, it's so good, dude. You have no idea how good that water is. 9,952 remaining. Pat, thank you very much for that super chat. Absolutely love it, man. Franchise, thank you very much for being first. Absolutely appreciate that as well. Let's see. Hey, Emma D, I didn't watch your video either, but It either showed up on my feed this morning while I don't know if it showed up on my feed. I saw it this morning. I don't know if it showed up on my feed this morning or if it showed up in my notifications this morning. I forget, but I did see it, but I did not watch it this morning. But now I forget where I saw it. It was when I was uploading my videos. And it was when I was uploading that Terra Luna Classic video and looking for other subjects. Now I can't remember if it was a notification or if it was on my feed, but I did see it, but I didn't watch it. So get me on that one. Yo, pick up my lady, Dante. Should I? What are your thoughts on Bitcoin crashing after these meme coins rallies? You know what, Luke? I don't think that these meme coin rallies or these meme coin, like a meme coin sell-off is going to be able to dictate the value of Bitcoin. I think that Bitcoin is pretty well stable in terms of not being affected by meme coins. I think what Bitcoin is going to be affected by is regulation. I read, I think it was like Thursday or Friday last week. Binance is done in Canada. Binance is completely done in Canada because of the regulation that Canada is putting forth. Binance being done in Canada, it's not a terrible thing because they said that the Canadian market is very small for them and they've decided to leave it due to the regulations. They gave that as the reason. If Binance, if Coinbase, if these major exchanges begin to pull out of the United States and Europe, or if the United States and Europe begin to ban cryptocurrency or ban DeFi, then I believe Bitcoin is going to be able to crash. I believe it's going to have a major problem in that sense if the U.S. starts to play some nonsense like Canada did and drives out some major exchanges. Huge Shib burn to 3 billion Shib from Blaze token just now. Dang, man. Very nice. I don't know where you saw that. I don't know if you're seeing it on their Twitter or if you're seeing it from the Shib Burns Twitter account or what, but let's see what we got here, man. All right, holders. Yeah, let's look at this burn wallet right here. Transfers. Dude, he's not joking, man. All right, so yeah, I mean, I'm not even gonna go out to Blaze Token's Twitter or anything. You come out to Etherscan, you can see that 21 minutes ago, Blaze Token threw 3,016,073,367 Shiba Inu coin into the burn wallet. That is insane. That is awesome. And Blaze, dude, continues to burn. So, yes, blazetoken.ethereum is the address, and blazetoken.ethereum burning 3,016,000,000 Shiba Inu coin. That's a very large amount, man. You know, Crypto King or Levi or whatever this dude's going by now, he's burned a lot of Shib. That's what, like 7 billion Shib in the last couple of weeks being burned there. That's not bad at all, man. So it is true. It is true. Very nice. Bogaruto, what's going on, Malog? Como você está? Let's see. Hope you had a great week or Mom's Day, a weekend. And my question will make much more sense after you watch it. Gotcha. M&D, Moji, maybe I should watch it as well. Because the question, really, where's your heart at? I don't know if it made sense to me either. Blaze Token is the real deal. Burning Shiba Inu right now. Can't wait for Blaze Token to be added in more exchanges. Crypto con Raul Valadez Reyes, man. Very nice. I do not own any Blaze. Don't plan on buying any Blaze. But Blaze, yeah, is doing very well to burn Shiba Inu coin, man. Hey, Blaze just burned 3 billion Shib. Christopher, yes, it did on the screen right now. Welcome, Jose. What's going on? Was Milady video. I have not done a Milady video, but is that what you're talking about? Good enough? Good. Did I see a Streamlabs super chat? Or am I seeing stuff? You're seeing stuff. I got Patrick's, right? But Jose Calderon, he did subscribe. So, Moji, if you saw the Pat one, I'm pretty sure I got the Pat one. Pat, you saw that, right? Let's see. Anyone heard from Tim? I've not seen from Tim. I see the messages coming over in the Discord. Have not seen anything from Tim come over, and do not have him in the live stream right now, at least that we know about. 3 billion Luke burn in one sitting. Might perk up some of the community. Pat, we sure hope so, man. 3 billion Shib. It's confirmed right here. You guys can see it on Etherscan 21 minutes ago. Dude, I don't know about you guys, man. But a billion Shib right now, that's what, about $10,000? That dude, it's about $8,000, right? 8,900 or whatever Shib's at right now. This dude just sending over like roughly $27,000 in one fell swoop to the burn wallet. Dude, that would have to be set up in smart contracts. I would feel so weird just burning almost $30,000 in cryptocurrency. I think that would be nuts, man. I think that would be nuts, but that's what's going on right here. BlazeToken.eth burning 3 billion Shiba Inu coin in a single transaction. I like it. Shout out to Levi. Shout out to Crypto King, whatever he's going by right now. And congratulations to the Shiba Inu coin community on that burn right there. I love it, dude. Blaze doing great things. Gringo, yes it is. Hit the like, guys. Only 23 likes, 41 viewers, guys. Click the like button. Listen to missing link. Bitmart will honor the burn tax as well. Trade on a centralized exchange with taxes. Sam Johnson, you talking about Terra Luna Classic, or are you talking about different coin? What are we talking about here? Shout out to Tim and Pika if you're watching. Moji, man, 18 months of bro. Thank you very much. 18 months of bro and a little king turkey to Tim and Pika. If you guys are watching right now, appreciate both of you. Appreciate you as well, Moji, man. Thank you very much for the member chat and keeping that green name for done 18 months, man. I love it. Sam Johnson, Blaze, baby, burning those tokens right there. Blaze is on a mission, and we take Shib on to join us. Burn down the roof. Blaze to the moon. Blaze, Blaze, Blaze. Uh-oh, somebody went out and told the Blaze Telegram or the Blaze Discord or whatever it is that we were talking about Blaze in here. Yes, man. Now we got all these people coming in and talking about Blaze as well. Blaze token, guys, very nice. Click the subscribe button if you're coming in here to support Blaze. Absolutely appreciate it. And it is true. Blaze burned 3 billion tokens right there. Blaze getting into the tax will be honored. Trading Blaze USDT. Gotcha. Yeah, Dante, you must be new here, man. What was that? That was called the King Turkey. So if you send a King Turkey over in a super chat, or like Moji's case, you got a green name, you send it over in a member chat, you get a little King Turkey action. So that was the King Turkey that you were a little bit concerned by right there. And Dante, you got to click the like button for that, man. You got to click the like button for the King Turkey there. Overall market today, guys, it does seem red, but that's because a lot of these smaller stocks are falling. The NASDAQ is still somehow in the green. So I would imagine some of the bigger tech companies, Apple and some of the larger banks and stuff are probably moving higher today. And we're seeing a little bit of a pullback in a lot of these smaller stocks. Oh, you know what I did want to show you? Zila. You guys, people come in here constantly trying to pump Zila. And they were pumping it at like 6 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, and so on. Well, they just did a 1 for 200 reverse split. And it started trading on 1 for 200 reverse split basis today. Let's look at the action that takes place after this reverse split. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro getting a little... Claybro Peach action coming in on the Streamlabs super chat, and it says, Shib, Blaze token, regulations, Claybro's neckbeard. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much to the King Turkey. Thank you very much for going directly through Streamlabs. Thank you very much to the super chat. And thank you very much for the homage you paid to Michael Allen out there with his style super chat. Appreciate you, Dark Bro. Absolutely love it, man. I want to show you guys Zila. XELA right now, because XELA is an example of what happens when people trust a company that is going down in price. All right, Zila down another 41% on the day today, more earlier, touching $2.62 from yesterday's price of over $6.30. The high yesterday. The high yesterday, I don't know, where are we at here? $6.42 was the high yesterday, touching $2.62 today. All-time low. Look at this graph, man. This is just in the last year, going from $1,200 a share to $2 a share. Like, come on. Where's Zila going? Guys, look at the chart and tell me where Zila's going there. Michael Allen! Thank you very much for the super chat. Michael says, Blaze, Crypto King, Shib, Clay's Peachy Chin. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Thank you very much, Michael, for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And don't think that I forgot about Patrick right there. Patrick says, Dante, lunch is on Clay, man. Dante, if you don't know how to eat a hot dog, man, you take the hot dog and you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. When you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it. Because you love a little peach action. Yes! Thank you very much for that. With some authorized hydration, Pat. Water just tastes really good today, man. That water tastes really good today. Pat, thank you very much for another authorized hydration. It is absolutely necessary. Guys, Don't go out there and waste your money on Zila. This company is driving everybody into the ground. I ask you where this stock is going next. It goes down, and then 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 it goes, you guys guessed it, yes, the answer is down. Then it goes down even further. Eventually, they're going to be paying you to buy shares of Zila because the price is going to be going that low. Very, very heavy volume today and a huge sell-off following that 1 for 200 reverse split. Here's the crazy thing, man. They 1 for 200 reverse split, trying to guarantee themselves to stay above $1 for more than 10 days. Well, it happened today. Today's day 1. Here's what we're going to do. Today is day 1. We're going to mark out 10 days. Where does 10 trading days get us here? 5, 10. All right, my birthday. So May 26th, we need to be above $1 on May 26th. This is the magic line. We're going to come back and visit this one. If Zila is not above $1 on May 26th, the game is over for them. You guys are blowing the Discord up right now. Let's see. 97 cents? No, I just give me $1, man. You can't go negative price. Stop that. All right, $1. It's got to be $1. We'll just leave it at $1. It's got to be $1 because that's above $1 by May 26th. If it is not above that line, guys, Zila is most likely going to ruin people's lives by going out there and doing another reverse split. So it looks like they are very, very close, man. I'd be nervous if I was sitting on some Zila right now. Emma D, thank you very much for the... Emma D, thank you very much for the beautiful monkey in the crown, the beautiful monkey, the most beautiful around. Thank you very much for that super chat. Emma D, loving it right now. You guys are crazy, man. Thank you very much. Dark Bro came at the right time. Super chat, that is funny, man. It is funny. Michael, he likes your style, dude. Is their status as being listed a financial cash grab before closing their doors? Patrick, you talking about Zila, man? Yeah, because, yeah, it probably is. I do want to check back on them, guys. Remind me about them sometime. I hate to look at that company because they do nothing but go down. But please remind us of that. We want to make sure that they stay above $1 by that time. I love how you do those. There you go. Don't know. He is highly interactive. And let's take a, whoa, like a good sport. It's part of the fun. Just learn to roll with it. Do it. Sorry, I might have missed something. Gee, Zila going under as a company. Yeah, Pat, they're definitely going under as a company, man. They're sitting on like $1.2 billion in liabilities, maybe only $700 million in assets, negative like $200 million a quarter income. Okay. So their earnings per share is a loss of $1.38 in the previous quarter here. Net income was nearly $100 million loss. Okay, so it's roughly like a $250 million a year annual loss that they suffer. If you look at their balance sheet, man, they're sitting on $10 million in cash, and their liabilities $1.5 billion. They've got some. Their balance sheet is upside down, man. Their balance sheet is upside down. Here's the dumbest thing. Like, here's the dumbest thing that you could see on a balance sheet today. Actually, you know what? I challenge you guys. Find a dumber balance sheet than Zila today. And we'll talk about it in the afternoon live stream. If you guys want a little bit of homework for the lunch break here, go find a dumber balance sheet than Zila. Take a look at this. They have $10 million in cash. and they're sitting on, $1.5 billion in liabilities. Their total assets that they claim, $800 million, right? 328 million of which is goodwill. $211 million of which is intangible assets, meaning they have no idea what it is. They just made that number up as well. Guys, this is got to be the dumbest balance sheet you have ever seen. These are just two lines right here. I know they're not sitting on $211 million of patents or proprietary, trading systems or proprietary financial systems. They're not doing that. So they're trying to tell you that $550 million out of their $850 million in assets are made up. They're supposed to receive another, that's liabilities down there. What else do they have? Inventory. I believe they got $17 million in inventories. Accounts receivable, man. Money that they haven't even received yet, and who knows if they'll ever be paid. $100 million. So this company, man, is upside down and backwards right now. Now, it's my Discord, JB. I have no idea what's going on over here. It's about the volume's about to go down. No idea what's going on. You guys are allowed to type in the YouTube chat as well, just to let you know if you want. Nonetheless, Zila, don't touch it, man. Don't touch it. $2.94 today. If it's below this level right here, you're probably going to see another reverse split and destroying people's lives. $26,000 worth of Shib. Very nice. Yes, Zora Blaze destroying that burn today. Looking very good. Very good. Let's see. It's a very cool community of bros and broettes. Hang out, you will see. Oh yeah, Dante, man, I'm telling you. I don't know. I don't know if Dante was a little concerned with the peach and turkey and hot dog there, but Dante, man, don't be concerned at all. It's perfect, man. You'll learn to love it, and you'll be doing it yourself. Bitcoin, throwing a little purple line on the screen right now. Filling up the pool right now. It's about time. I'm baking over here. Dark bro, dude. Very nice. And Bitcoin erasing that purple line that was just drawn. Blaze to the moon. WHC car transport. I like it. Blaze to the moon, man. I'll take it. Just make sure to click that subscribe button. Insane money will be made with Blaze. I hope so, Sam. Yon in the chat. You guys like it. If I had Forte money, I would host and fund a contest between the bros to see who ends up with the worst portfolio. Winner gets 100 shares of Molinado. And if the budget allows, a beautiful dipped and shoved hot dog. I like it. Patrick Forte, man. Patrick, if we only had Forte money, if we only had the Forte money, we would be able to do something like that. Worst portfolio gets 100 shares of Molinado. I like it. The question is, will Molinado remain above $1 for 10 days? And it did its reverse split on May 4th, which, yes, it still has like 3 days. So it does seem as though Molinado is going to remain above $1 right here at this yellow line for another 3 days. What do we have? 1, 2, 3. I think that's the day right there. So unless you get a 25% decline in Molinado over the next 3 days, you're probably going to be pretty solid on that one. If not, facing day listing or facing yet another reverse split after the one for 25 that they just did there. So we're going to keep our eyes on Molinado for that one as well. We get the date on it, but it does seem to be like it's going to be safe. Let's see here. Well, Dante, I don't know what you did, if you did anything, man, but it's all right. Glad to have you back in here. What are your thoughts on Blaze? Pamf. I like the fact that they are burning Shiba Inu coin. I don't like the fact that, a lot of these tokens that burn or build themselves up around burning another token, they very, very, very quickly die off. And that happens with 100% of them. You can look at any token that made its name burning another token, and 100% of the time, their hype dies out. As they slowly fade from their initial volatility, people begin to leave. People beginning to leave causes them to burn less. The fact that they're burning less causes less people to talk about them. So it's almost got a negative death spiral from the start. So that's my main concern with Blaze, but I love the fact that they are doing what they say they're going to be doing, and they are burning a massive amount of Shiba Inu coin. Let's see. Levi and Classy and just chillers, whatever popular coin they fill will get them clicks. You know, Michael, that is, like, it is part of the game, dude. If they're making YouTube videos, they do want as many clicks as possible. I completely understand that. But, you know, I really do think that people need a little bit more of a long-term focus, or just a slightly more dedicated approach. So I do agree with you on that one. It's not good just to jump from team to team or coin to coin and so on. Look, I don't care about sports at all, but it's like a guy who only wants to root for the team that's winning. And you got to have a little bit of a sense of, I guess, base there. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat that I missed right there. It's coming on the screen. I think, again, Emma D, you win by default. I love it. Emma D, this is how you dip a hot dog. When you're done dipping that hot dog in your favorite dip, I like queso. Done dipping it, you take that hot dog and you shove it. One bite. Emma D, that is how you eat a hot dog. And we've got 9,950 authorized hydrations to go. Oh, man. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, man. And thank you very much for teaching Emma how to eat a hot dog on that one. She is the proud winner of the hot dog, the dip and the shove. Ladies and gentlemen, my apologies, dude. Caesar, I think I missed something. Pepe news. Let's see. Pepe news, the latest that I've got. I don't know if you watched the video from yesterday. Elon Musk sharing some Pepe tweets over the weekend. That inspired the rally that took it from 100 points per coin back up to 200 points per coin. Pulling back a little bit, sitting around 1,600 points today. Pepe is the most engaged with coin on social media, according to Lunar Crush statistics. So Pepe is crushing the competition right now. I will say this, though. You guys can see a lot of the tweets and a lot of the videos and stuff like that people are posting out there. I know a lot of the engagement is fake engagement. You can scroll through. You can type in Pepe into Twitter, and I'd say 90% of the posts that are trending or towards the top are bots. You know, they're stupid airdrops where, you know, oh, my girlfriend even did, she does a little thing with her finger, like, oh, you know, she got a heart in front of her Pepe airdrop. Oh, my girlfriend's so smart, she went out there and claimed her airdrop on Pepe. Even if she can do it, anybody can do it. And then the post has like 4,000 views, but it's got 15,000 retweets and 15,000 likes. And I know a lot of the engagement's fake, dude. So that's the bad part. Let's see. Pepe dope too. No, I like Pepe, though. I like Pepe. I just think a lot of the engagement right now is fake news. Okay, that's going to be the new Clay Bro meme. I like queso. I do like queso, man. I do like queso. Patrick, you know it. What else would you dip a hot dog into? If you were going to dip and shove a hot dog, this is not rhetorical. I want an answer from you guys. If you were to dip and shove a hot dog, what would you dip it and shove it into? Some people might choose chili. You know, Sonic the Hedgehog, he loves chili dogs. You might choose you might dip it down into the chili dog, right? You might dip that down in the chili and go for that. That's not bad. Queso is what I'd probably go with, though, dude. I'd be dipping that hot dog down in the queso and then shoving it. So I'm choosing queso. What are you guys choosing on that one? Hoodbro NFT with a mustache and a shirt that says, I like queso. Dude, golly, boom. We got to get Pika. We got to get Pika on this graphic design kick, man. She needs to start making these t-shirts because that might not be a bad one, dude. You got a little bro logo. It says, I like queso. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. I'd actually wear that shirt there. You didn't shovel hot dogs in water. No, man, I ain't shoving them in water, man. I'm shoving them in queso. Screw it, I'm going to make some bro NFTs. Use the money to burn Luke. Seriously, would anybody buy them if I did it? You know, you might have some people buy them, Michael. You might have some people buy the NFT projects. I actually don't own. I own, somebody gave me 4, gosh, I forget the names of them now. Bunnies. I forget the names of these bunnies. They gave me 4 bunny NFTs back in 2021, I believe, to make a video or two about their NFT collection. I did that. They sent me the NFTs. Those are the only NFTs that I own. I've never actually bought an NFT. I'm not an NFT guy. You know, I wish I owned a Bored API Club or a Mutant API Club or whatever. But, yeah, you might have some people in here that would love to buy some NFTs, dude. Mr. Simonino! What's going on, Simon? How you doing, man? Don't they dip it in water in contest? Yes, they do. They dip it in water, but, dude, I wouldn't want to do that, man. I wouldn't want to do that. Memorial Day is coming up. You guys are almost guaranteed to have some hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill. I'm telling you right now, there's probably going to be some queso at that Memorial Day party. Put a little queso on your plate, dip the hot dog down in some queso, and then you guys are really going to like it. Don't dip it into your lemonade. Don't dip it into your glass of water. Dip it down into your queso, and it's going to be much better. I promise you on that one. Just don't get it in your eyes. John J., you are right on that one, man. It burns. Peak is an awesome designer. Yeah, could you imagine? Peak probably could come up with a pretty sweet shirt on I Like Queso, bro style. BlackRock loading fuel cell today. A comeback. Fuel cell. That's FCEL, right? I actually have no idea, man. I have not looked at FCEL in a long time, man. Let's see. FCEL. I don't know if BlackRock, I mean, maybe the news is that BlackRock is buying fuel cell here. I have no idea, right? I didn't see any of that news. I don't know. It might be a little bit harder to find. You guys might be looking at actual FINRA reports or something. But 8% gain in fuel cell today. Not bad. Off a recent low of $1.77. So we're already sitting up about 60%. 50-60% from where we were before. Not bad at all there. Let's go out a little bit and see what this weekly looks like, because it has had a very, very difficult time. Making a comeback, I do not know. But what I do know is that fuel cell has an excellent level of support in this area, which is basically where it bounced off of. So it's got nice multi-year level of support. Here's the crazy thing, okay? Fuel cell ran at the beginning of 2021 because this new administration, all right, I'm just going to say, I'm not even going to go down that road. This new administration that came in beginning of 2021 here, they were supposed to revolutionize the clean energy space. They were supposed to revolutionize and legalize the cannabis space. They were supposed to do a lot of things. And I don't know if there's anybody in here who could say that they followed through on what they were supposed to do or not. We're not going to sit there and have some sort of a political discussion. But as you can see, man, this is the type of hype and excitement. This company that was 13 cents in 2019. New administration comes in, clean energy rockets higher. This stock goes from 13 cents to $30 a share. And since then, since nothing came to be, down and down and down and down and down and down. It's almost like a slinky, or it's almost like a ball, a little bouncy ball drop in here. You can see the weekly trend line that you have here, okay? And look at this. I mean, you can connect these lower highs. You can throw another kind of trend line on there. If you want to extend this one out a little bit, you can throw another trend line on there. What you're seeing, man, are these lower highs being hit and a major level of support in this area. Okay. If it bounces, it may have already bounced and touched the peak that it's going to hit right here, around 265. It may bounce back up to 250. It may retest $2 and might try to attempt another 10 to 15% gain back up to $2 here. But as you can see, every little bounce that it gets results in a further sell-off. So please be careful if you are buying into this descending trend line on fuel cell. Maybe BlackRock knows something that we don't. Maybe BlackRock's willing to launder some money through fuel cell. Who knows what's going on there? But if you look at the pattern on what traders are doing, they're following this trend line of lower highs into this area right here. So fuel cell, watch out for it. Not something that I would really want to play, as it is riskier. But hey, man, if you guys like it, you like it. Cool. Know a few Shriners that try to go every year. I might have missed out on something, guys. Sorry about that. That's coins volume being bigger than the market cap, good or bad. Caesar, man, I actually don't think that that's bad when a coin's volume is larger than the market cap that it's got. It just shows that those aren't all buys. You know what I mean? You get a coin that's worth $50 million and they're doing $100 million in trading activity. It's simply the fact that they've got people that are buying it, people that are selling it, and they're not people that are stacking. So it's not people that necessarily believe it's going to rocket higher. It's people taking advantage of the volatility in the coin. So I don't think that that's necessarily good for the long-term growth of the coin, but it's certainly not bad either. It's just people taking advantage of the hype, people taking advantage of the volatility. And if I'm going to say it's not bad, right, let's just put it in the good category because it can make the coin start trending. People can see that it's got high volume, and therefore more people come and try to partake in it. That's me trying to look at it in an optimistic way, is that high volume is going to lead to more people potentially wanting to buy it, but volume being above the market cap doesn't necessarily indicate that it's a bad deal. In the news on LMWR that launched around May 3rd, I know back in the day it was pirated music. What is this, LimeWire? Gary, I don't know what LMWR is, man. Is it a coin or a stock? Yeah, I don't know about this. Here's my thoughts on it. This is probably not the official team that launched LimeWire back in, or FrostWire or whatever that you gave your computer a virus with when you downloaded songs. It's probably just a nice play and getting people to kind of reminisce on the beautiful days of growing up in the early 2000s, being able to burn whatever CD you wanted to burn, and then playing it in your car. It was a nice time, man, nice time. But I doubt this is the same team that did it, and I doubt that this is... it's probably just them trying to take advantage of the name, the same way all of these meme coins are taking advantage of cartoons and popular memes and stuff like that. All about Napster and Kazaa. Yeah, man. Oh, my gosh, dude. We are going back now, dude. FrostWire, LimeWire, Kazaa, however you said that one. Napster. I think I was like slightly after Napster or something. Never used Napster. Should I claim that the other ones were used, or should I just say never used Napster? You guys can fill in the rest on that one. Yeah, man, have some fun making your own CDs back in the early 2000s. That was cool, dude. And then you throw it in your Dodge Neon, you ride to high school, you blast those speakers up as loud as they go, and you have a good old time, man. Let's see. Yes, Clay knows about Blaze token. Yeah, JB, I do know about Blaze, man. Blaze burning 3 billion Shiba Inu coin today. Shout out to Blaze, man. Levi, Crypto King, whatever that kid's going by now. Thank you very much for burning all of those Shiba Inu coin. Hear my love, do not cite the old magic to me. I was there at the inception. I don't know what we're talking about, but Gary, I like it. Really going back? Yes, we are. LimeWire gave my PC a bunch of you know what, Mr. Palomino, dude? It did. Those, you download a song, dude, all of a sudden your PC, plus, like, add that to the dial-up, okay? You were never getting anywhere, man. It was bad from the onset. You were never getting anywhere after you downloaded a few songs and after you were on dial-up there. You were just done, man. You were done. It was terrible. You set yourself up for failure almost immediately with that combination right there. No, I'm really feeling old. Dark bro. It's all right, man. We definitely all do. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I used Aries. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that one is, Mr. Palomino. Caesar. I don't know what Aries is. Never even heard of that one. Napster, Kazaa, or however you said that one. LimeWire, FrostWire. I knew those. I don't even know what Aries was. BearShare. That one kind of sounds familiar, but I never used that one either. I don't know what that one is. Do you mean blown distorted speakers? Dark bro? I did not say that they sounded good. I just said that you turned them up as loud as you could, all right? I didn't say that you were doing anything amazing. I just said that you and your friends were having fun to and from school in the Dodge Neon, listening to your burnt CDs, man. Let's see. Burrito Bones! What's going on, J Bones? Glad to have you, man. I always had 5-finger discount at Walmart for music. Roulette wheel, that is bad. Don't do that. Just steal it from online instead. You don't want to steal it from an actual store, all right? You just want to download it from somebody else who's allowing you to download it. Still rocking Pirates Bay. There you go, Kenneth. What's time frame? Do you expect Shiba Inu to drop a 0? You know, ZX Power, because Shiba Inu coin is just fluctuating between 800 and 900 points per coin all day, sitting right here at 887 right now, dude, it could drop a 0 at any time. It could come back above this green line right here at any time. It can be a single day that it decides to jump back up. There's a little resistance that you can see in this 950 area, but if Bitcoin, for example, jumps up and begins to retest 29,000, nice 10% increase in the price of Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin could be retesting that 1,000 point per coin mark. And you know, as you can see, Bitcoin trying to bounce back up. I was at 27.2. I want to leave that at 27.2. Bitcoin trying to bounce back up above that 27,200 level of support there. And it might be on its way back up to 29. If that's the case, I would, yes, expect Shiba Inu coin to be bouncing back off this level of support and potentially retesting the next resistance, which is around that 950 to 1,000 points per coin. So I don't think, this 0, dropping this 0 is significant. Hitting a new all-time high and dropping that 0 would be significant. The thing is, I did a video, you guys might have watched it yesterday. The vast majority of people right now are negative on their Shiba Inu coin holdings, which is tough. The beautiful thing about coins that are hitting all-time highs, like PEPE last week, is the fact that nobody who bought the coin is losing money. Every single person who is buying a coin that is hitting all-time highs is making money. Now, you need to know when to get out, right? You can't sit there and hold it all the way down, or, then you start to lose money, or then you got to be willing to hold it longer term and all of that stuff. But when coins are hitting all-time highs, there's not a single loser in the game. Right now, people are losing out on Shiba Inu coin, but I do think you could drop that first 0 there at any point that Bitcoin bounces back. Bro, I was shaking. I remember on 2007, I downloaded a song in LimeWire. It was midnight. When I finished it, played it, and all my lights in my house went out. Lights kept turning on and off. Oh, jeez. Dude, 2007, man, the good old days. Graduate high school, download some songs, man. You stay up all night playing video games with your friends. The good old days, Mr. Simon. Creepy old days if you are having your lights flicker on and off all day long and all of that stuff happening. I'm sorry you had to go through that. But yeah, man, I would be shaking on that one as well. Simon downloaded a Poltergeist. Yeah, it says JB, man. Simon downloaded something a little freaky on that one. Let's see, Dark Battle 2 triple stack titanium 12s. I got those liquor store CDs for free all day. They just wanted me to bump their mix. There you go, Emma D. Turn out the lights. The party's over. Yes, it is, Moji. Sorry for Simon on that one. Wait for it. Wait for it. 3, 2, 1. You ready? You ready? Here we go. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika. The Pika. Where's Pika at? John J, man. Go get Pika in here. What are you doing? Do got problems. Dante, man. We all got a little bit of problems, man. At the end of the day, you know we all got our own problems to deal with. You're absolutely right on that. Here's the good news and here's the bad news, man. You can either embrace the problems, embrace your uniqueness, embrace the fact that you're just willing to have a good time and a good day, or you can, dwell in your problems and kind of sulk in the fact that, dang, man, I might do some stuff that some people find a little weird. Oh, shoot, man. Is there somebody judging me for having a good time? Like, is that what's really going on here? Man, the market's down today. I should be down as well. The moral of the story is, man, live your life. Not everybody's going to agree with what you do. I'm certainly not going to agree with everything that you do. It's impossible. It really is. You guys don't need my approval. You don't need my disapproval on anything out there. And fortunately, unfortunately, however you want to look at it, I don't need your approval and I don't need your disapproval on what I'm doing either. We make decisions every day, man. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, but guess what? Tomorrow comes with or without us, and tomorrow comes no matter what decisions we make today. So you just got to move forward, and guess what? Tomorrow's going to bring a brand new set of decisions for you to make as well. You can make some good ones, you can make some bad ones. I guarantee you make both of them, man. At least 20K. Something missed on that emoji. Yeah, bro. I'm going to buy all the Bitcoin. And nice, Dark, bro. Pika's on a beach. Oh, yes. Pika is on a beach. Pika on a beach. I like it right now. Thoughts on Milady Coin? Could it be another Pepe? Yeah, George, it could be another Pepe. Milady's actually getting a lot of attention. And it is back up nice over the last couple of days. So, looking at Milady, dude. Milady's up 30% today, 1,400 or 140 points per coin. And here's what I like. You go out over the last 7 days, it had its little dip. But instead of staying stagnant like a lot of the other coins, people keep buying into Milady. Now, the question is it another Pepe? Does it 10x from where it's at right now? Whew! I'm going to say this, dude. I'm going to say this. I didn't think Pepe would. I don't think the Milady will. But I didn't think the Pepe would, and it did. It ran from 100 million. In a week, it was touching $1 billion. So, you got me, man. You got me. You might see another 50% drop off back to that 30, 40, $50 million range, and Milady shoots from there. You might never look back. Milady might be on a nice, slow, steady path over the next month to reaching $1 billion market cap. Yes, people know about it. It's doing $111 million in volume today. People are willing to put their money where their mouth is, and people are buying Milady. Let's see here, Little Broskies. It is after 1 o'clock. My goodness, man. My goodness. It can't be any weirder than that, Pat fella. Yeah, wait a second, Pat. Talking about yourself, aren't you? Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Keep the chat absolutely awesome. Dante, man, if you're new here, appreciate you hanging out with us all morning, dude. Absolutely appreciate all you guys for keeping the chat just rolling, having fun, good time, all the positivity. Let's do these shout-outs, and we will be back. And, if we got any Blaze boys out there, guys. Blaze token. Thank you very much for burning Shiba Inu coin. I do know what Blaze is. All right, man. Dark, bro. Enjoy your afternoon. Emma D. Caesar, man. See you later. Mo G. Pat. See you later. Slayer JC. Emma D. J Bones, baby. Giovanni. Enjoy your day. You know what? Well, Giovanni, bring that question to the afternoon live stream because I don't know what the circulating supply on my lady is right now. It might be one of those that was a little weird, like 777s or 1111. It was. I know some of these coins have been a little bit weird lately, so it could. Pat, man, enjoy it. We've got Mr. Palomino, baby. Enjoy your day, Caesar, Pat, Southpaw Slinger, DD214, Pat, Dosed. Oh man, Pat did something with the authorized hydration. Emma D, 11 months. Oh, bro. Loving it right now, guys. Emma D, thank you very much. Peace out to you, Kraken. Mr. Palomino, see you later. Shout out to Amla. Oh, my gosh. I don't even know what we got going on with that one. You might be trying to make me say something weird. Dante, man, see you later. We got Southpaw Slinger, Dark Bro, Moji, Pat. Peace out to you. Roulette Wheel, Dante, Pat, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.